A meeting this morning in Essex County, New Jersey, to prepare its departments and residents for the storm. But county officials say they don't know the severity of what they're preparing for. Doug Williams joins us live from West Orange. Doug.
Cindy, we are outside the Family Center at the Turtleback Zoo, where a little less than an hour ago, a meeting by Essex County Executive Joseph DiVincenzo wrapped up. He says they're preparing for the snow to start early Sunday morning and that it may not wrap up here until midday Monday. But he says the county has enough salt for this storm and whatever it brings and the next storm after that. Essex County, the department heads took turns briefing a packed room here in West Orange. The county executive says 200 plows have been secured by the county for the storm. Like many of us, though, he says he's not aware of just how much snow the county will get, and he's been glued to the news every morning to try and learn more. But regardless, he and others that spoke suggested residents take today and tomorrow to prepare and get everything you need.
Talking to our residents, we told them we're going to be prepared. We need you to be prepared. All right, in reference to food, medication, whatever they need, go out now and get it.
It's very important to stay off the road. You're putting yourself at risk. You're putting an officer at risk that may have to come and, save you and bring you home.
And the county executive made the point that it's not just the snow totals he's concerned about, it's the low temperatures, potential for icing and power outages as well. And one important note, Essex County shelters and warming centers will be open 24 hours a day through the storm, and those hours go into effect starting tonight at 7 p.m. For now, we're here in West Orange, New Jersey. Doug Williams, CBS News, New York.